This Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Sainer. Location supreme for this 1800s homestead. Newer metal roof and vinyl siding and most windows replaced. Interior is freshly painted throughout. New laminate floor in kitchen/dining combo. Convenient first floor laundry. Sunny office/exercise room. Carpeted den/playroom. Nice level backyard, accessed by alley for off-street parking. Detached garage. Room for a garden? Yes. Close Route 22-322 commute. Manicured park across the street for serious playground, walking trails and ball field, restaurants and bank conveniences. More affordable than renting. Call as soon as possible for your private tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeanette Sainer at 717-436-8200.